Let's all get up and dance to a song that was a hit before your mother was born. Though she was born a long, long time ago, your mother should know, your mother should know, no. Lift up your hearts and sing out a song that was a hit before your mother was born. Though she was born a long, long time ago, your mother should know, your mother should know, yeah, your mother should know, your mother should know. Hey, what's up everybody? That's my favorite Beatles song lately. It's called Your Mother Should Know, and let me show you how to play it. Let's go. Okay, first of all, the original is in the key of A minor, but I'll show you how to play it in the key of E minor because there is no chance for me to sing it in A minor. Let me show you the chords. Alright, so we need the chord of E minor first. Then we need the chord of C major 7. Keep the pointing finger and remove everything else. Alright. And then we have the E7. And then A minor. Okay. Then we have D7, which is like this, barring on the 2nd fret. Middle finger right here on the 3rd fret of the A string. Okay. After that we need the chord of G. The chord of G major 7, the chord of A7, alright, and the chord of B7, like this. And also after that we need the chord of B, which is almost the same. This one just is a little bit more edgy, and on the places that we use it, it kind of makes sense. Okay, and also what do we need? Oh yeah, we need the chord of A suspended 4. This is for the bridge. Alright, let me show you the parts. Alright, the song starts with pretty much just E minor, like this. The string pattern I'm doing is something like down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, but also sometimes I'm doing just down strums like this. So just choose for yourself which one you like more when you learn the song and just do it with it. But let's see how it goes. And the verse, E minor to C major 7 to E7 to A minor to D7 and quickly G to G major 7 to E7 to A7 to D7 to G. Okay, this is the verse basically, but every verse ends a little bit differently. So let's see the first one. Let's all get up and dance to a song that was a hit before your mother was born. Though she was born a long, long time ago, your mother should know, your mother should know. And the first verse ends with B7 and they sing it again. You just repeat the same verse, but the second verse doesn't end with B7. Instead it goes to the bridge, which is nothing complicated. It's just one measure more on the E minor. Let me show you what I mean. It goes like this: B twice to E minor 3 times, and then C major 7 2 times, A minor 2 times, A suspended 4 2 times, and then G 2 times, and then B7, which leads to the next verse. Okay, let's do the organ solo humming. Let's see how it goes. the verse 3. Lift up your heart and sing out a tune that was a hit before your mother was born. Though she was born a long, long time ago, your mother should know. Your mother should know. And here, your mother should know. We repeat the last two lines. Your mother should know. After the third verse, we have another bridge. It ends with B7, and it is sing it again. And then we have the verse 4, which is da 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 da. Though she was born a long, long time ago, your mother should know. Your mother should know. But here we're repeating this 3 times, which is something like the outro basically. Your mother should know. Okay, last time. Your mother should know. Your mother should know. And pretty much this is how you end it. I'm glad I did this song. Hopefully you like it. If you didn't know it, go check it out. I don't know, for me it was on repeat in my head for some weeks. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.